Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in simple interest. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, here the price of scooty is 40,000 and the down payment is 25,000 and the balance is 15,000. Friends, this 15,000 is paid in 4 monthly installments of rupees 4,000 each. That means for 4,000 16,000. That means the interest paid is 16,000 minus 15,000. The interest paid is rupees 1,000. Friends, let us calculate the interest. See friends, the amount due for the first month is 15,000. 40,000, 25,000 is paid. So the amount due for the first month is 15,000. PT 1 month, PT R by 100. This is the interest for the first month. Friends, the interest for the second month, friends, he pays 4,000. So the principal will be 11,000 into R by 1200. And for the third month, again he pays 4,000. So for the third month, the principal will be 7,000 into R by 1200 plus for the fourth month 7,000 minus 4,000, 3,000 into R by 100. This is the total interest accrued, that is equal to 1,000. First, now let us calculate the value of R. 2 zeros cancel, 2 zeros. Friends, 150 R plus 110 R plus 70 R plus 30 R is equal to 12 into 100, 12,000. Friends, 150 plus 110, 260, 330, 360. 360 R is equal to 12,000. So R is equal to 12,000 by 360, 0, 12 hundreds, 12 threes. Friends, 100 by 3 means 33.33% is the rate of interest. Friends, thank you. Have a nice day.